going to the farmer's market. I'm obviously going to bring you guys with me. I really want to get like a nice floral arrangement or maybe like a couple. I love going to the market. And Milo really loves going to the market. I'm using my Patrick Ta Major Volume Plumping Gloss. So this is very exciting. There are 5 new shades of the Rich Gloss. Let me get the 5th. They are so pigmented. They're this hydrating, balmy formulation that stimulates blood flow in the lips. So it's gonna plump and invigorate your lips, and it's just beautiful, and the colors are actually crazy pigmented. I kind of have like a brownish nude lip right now, and then isn't that so insane? And it's a gloss. I also really love this shade, which is called Need Her. The shade I just used was called Say Less. I'm gonna try Need Her as well. I'm so excited about these new shades of the Rich Gloss. I'll put all the links down below. You guys will also be obsessed. Okay, we're going to the market. Gotta wear these. All right, we are on our way to the market. Off we go. Milo's feeling the need to mark his territory on everything. Success, right Milo? I just stopped and grabbed a matcha, and I met a lot of you guys at the market, which always brightens my day. It really does. So I'm gonna head home. I have dance practice in a couple hours, and yeah. What did we get? We get flowers? Okay, I'm home. I'm gonna show you guys what I got really quick. Berries, some honey, because my mom was at my house yesterday and she wanted tea with honey. And I don't know where my honey went, but we couldn't find it. Almonds, almond butter, best hummus ever. Flowers. I'm gonna arrange the flowers now. I did some big lilies on my entry table 2 weeks ago, and it looks so beautiful. So I think I'm gonna do that again. We have these and these. Okay, so this is what it looks like without the flowers. Okay, those are my reports. I am actually gonna do the same recipe I do for my turkey meatballs. I'm just gonna do my like actual burger patty out of that, and I hope it tastes good. I do have this ground beef that I wanna use. Get a big bowl. I put onion in this mixture, but I make sure I saute it. I think I actually have pre-cut onions, so I'm just gonna scoop some of that into a pan. Sorry, this isn't the prettiest, but this is what it looks like. I'll mix this all together. Here we go. I'm just gonna use the same pan I did my onions in. Oh wait, fuck. I forgot to do the sweet potatoes, which is gonna take way longer, so I'm actually just gonna wrap these and put them in the fridge. I forgot about the sweet potato fries, so I'm gonna do that and then we'll do the burgers and you'll see. Here she is. It's a little bland. My burger just has avocado. Add something if you think I'm boring. I don't care. Okay, here we go. Wait, holy shit. This is like a 12 out of 10 in my books. So I'm rushing out the door right now because I have to go to the hair shop. Really want to get extensions for Stagecoach. I'm going to Stagecoach with St. James iced tea, which is going to be really fun. We have like one day where I like bartend and do a little meetup. So if you're at Stagecoach, come say hi. I think I'm already going to hit a ton of traffic, so hopefully we're good, but I just need to get hair extensions that match my color, and I need to like go in the store and color match me. Off we go. Today I'm going to an event. I'm gonna do my own makeup and then I have somebody come in to do my hair. And I went to the hair shop yesterday and I got all these extensions, so maybe we will play with those today, I'm not sure. It is Wednesday morning. I'm having a coffee and then I'm gonna pick Jake up again. We're having deja vu. This is like my last vlog. My AG1, we got the whole thing happening here. For some reason, it was so hard for me to wake up this morning. Genuinely feels like I've been hit by a truck. Just chugging this coffee so I have like some energy. I'm so tired, you guys. I have no idea what's going on. And then we leave for Stagecoach tomorrow. I'll show you guys my outfits while I'm packing and all that jazz. Okay, I'm just gonna sit here and do my meditation. I'll show you guys. I like Melissa Woodhull. She has a section that says meditation.
Taking 3 full inhales through the nose, but as you take
I'm on the way to get Jake. Oh, there he is.
Oh!
I was like, Jake went in to get his coffees and then
Wait,
you
this
came
camera's
out.
so cute.
It's really nice. We're going to do our workout.
We are so excited.
So excited.
So, cheers, us. Do you like
Yeah,
it?
they actually do make a good matcha
Yeah,
there.
I told you.
Okay, bye.
Here we go. Go, Jake.
doing some Stagecoach looks. So when I went to Love Shack Fancy showroom in my last video, I tried this dress on. It's not out yet, so then they sent it back to me after they did a shoot in New York, but I just got here yesterday. Like, done a little bit of that, maybe. But is it kind of cool like this? Like, I think I'm kind of liking it. I think it's cute. And then the turquoise connects kind of nicely. What do you think? This could be a fun day outfit. Okay, I love this. This is a cool vibe. The back's open, so it'll be great for the weather. This is great. This is easy. I'm also going to link all of this below for you guys. Option 2. Okay, I've been loving this color. Oh, wait, let me put different shoes on. Don't judge the shoes. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. Are you okay? Because I don't really know what shoe I'd wear with this, but Daniel Guzio sent me this set, and I just wanted to try it on. It like fits like a glove. I don't even need to get it like hemmed. Like, this is fun. Does it work with these boots, or what are your guys' thoughts? I don't really own cowboy boots. I'll take a picture. It's a contender. So then I just started putting on random outfits at this point. This is also something Daniel Guzio sent. 2 for 2. I don't really want to be like super festival, like, you know, I'd rather keep it chill. I don't know. Should bring a couple cowboy hats, like, yeah. That's gotta come. Ooh, I'm so excited just to have these in life. I just got them tailored. This skirt is amazing. I just can't figure out how to get the top on with it. So this will be an at Stagecoach attempt. I'm gonna take this dress off and pack it. Okay, it's the night before I leave for Stagecoach. I'm really excited. But yeah, just like was packing up all my stuff. I'm gonna turn the air on. I'm like overheating. Leave in the morning. I have a driver picking me up around 8 and I'm so excited. My sister's coming with me. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. Yeah, I'm stoked. I'm gonna go to bed, but I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Stagecoach weekend. You excited? Excited? Going to Stagecoach. Can get my AD1. I just made a coffee. I'm about to leave for Palm Springs. You're really excited.